Today, we're unlocking the power of the Asset Warp tool in Adobe Animate to make your characters move and groove like never before. First, open Adobe Animate and import or create your character. Make sure it's a vector-based graphic now. Select your character on the stage, then go to Modify menu, located at the top of the screen. Scroll down and select the Asset Warp option. Boom, your character might get a subtle change, but don't worry, we'll keep their awesome look. Now, click anywhere on the character to add a new warp point and create control point lines. You can add as many as you need. The more points you add, the more control you have over the distortion. Drag the warp points. Watch as your character deforms in response to your commands. Experiment with different control points and see how this tool reacts. Now let's keyframe some action. Add a keyframe in the timeline. Then move to a different frame. Drag those warp points again. Maybe stretch an arm, bend a leg, or puff out a cheek. Now you can watch the magic happen. Replay your work to see how your character moves dynamically. If you don't like what you see, you can start the process over. The Asset Warp tool is essential for achieving incredible movement with your characters. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep experimenting and don't be afraid to get creative with this amazing tool. You are no longer limited by what is typical in animation. Get animating.